easy go.
Hi guys, today I will show you 5 useful and free softwares for PC which are very helpful. First of all, there is 360 total security. It's a free antivirus that you can easily download. You can check your full PC easily by this software, or you can run virus scan, speed up your PC and clean temporary files and all junk files of your PC with a one tap. This software also gives you some additional services like game booster, VPN proxy master, firewall driver updater, and much more. This antivirus keep your PC safe from all kinds of malware attacks. All kinds of malware attacks that happen when our PC is connected to internet. So it gives you the best security service. The second is iSaver. iSaver is a free and useful software. It helps you to reduce brightness, reduce or increase the brightness, and set the blue filter or color temperature. It helps you like that. If you work in your computer or use your computer for a long time, it helps you to reduce your eye damaging and keep your eyes safe. There are many modes like health, movie, hacker, reading 1, reading 2, reading 3, overlay, etc. The third is speed test software by Ookla. It's a free software. By this software you can measure your internet connection speed, your internet connections download speed, upload speed, and ping. You can measure your internet connection speed by various servers, but I cannot show you at this moment because my Wi-Fi is not working. So it is a very useful software as a small size computer software. The fourth is Uninstaller. Uninstaller is a free software and a cool software. By this software you can install any stubborn softwares of your PC or malicious software you think. It also gives you some additional services like file shader, Windows updates, force install, etc. It also gives you a service that it shows you which softwares need to be updated of your PC, and it has some other softwares which are very useful like advanced system care, driver booster, malware fighter, smart defect. All these software are free and very useful. I also use this software. Opera browser. Opera browser is a free and popular browser. By this browser you can easily use VPN while browsing. You can also browse any website by this browser. This browser runs smoothly even in low-end PC. I recommend you to install this browser in your low-end PC, high-end PC, and mid-range PC.
With